Today we're 3D printing, but not assembling, because this is a print in place gravity knife. So all the parts are already together in the single print, and it is really quite ingenious. And links to the original designer's works will be in the description below. And this printed off beautifully. I've tried a few different gravity blades over the years, and this one's by far the most impressive because of course it's a single piece. Now I do see the advantage of doing it as separate pieces because you can then do like a colored blade and stuff like that. But still, printing this off and seeing it all move independently as one piece is cool. And I love it when people do something that's a first ever, and I don't think anyone's ever done a print in place gravity knife before, so this is cool. And I do recommend adding a touch of oil to this as well, just to make sure everything's moving smoothly. And you can see that I'm not the best at actually doing this, but when you do get it working perfectly, it looks cool, it feels cool, and it's just nice to know that this was a single print. And I think the fact that it moves like this from a single print is pretty cool. And yeah, there's not much else to be said about this. It's a relatively simple one. I'd love to make a longer video going into it, but there's just not as much that we can chat about, really. I'm just going to watch this for a little bit because it looks really good. I'm so satisfied with this little thing. Really nice design. And the original designer, again, did a really good job here creating this. It works really well, prints off excellently. And yeah, there's nothing else to say. I'd love to add more, but yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.